Hi everyone, it's all about target need where priority is most important thing and what to be focused and what to be avoided, how to concentrate and how to give priority to each subject, how to set target, how to deal with target, how to achieve target, and of course I will also discuss in further videos how to make physics easy and how to manage physics, how to get minimum 80 to 100 marks in physics. Everything we will discuss. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Srikanth Physics faculty. Here I came with a few suggestions to all the medical aspirants who are preparing for NEET entrance. Whether you are preparing for next year or whether you are preparing for this year, so please note these points and have a clear mind. So the thing is all about how to get it into medical college, whether it is through CET or NEET. So main focus is NEET. Let's talk about it. Don't deviate from our path. So when you consider a target, when you are planning for some target, you want to become a doctor, whether it is MBBS, BDS, veterinary, let it be. First, you have to become a doctor means what are the things to be taken care. So when you plan for some target, when you plan to achieve some target, we must know what are our abilities. Don't just target for anything because everyone cannot achieve everything. The total mark is 720. We cannot achieve it. I mean everyone cannot achieve that 720 marks and we don't want it also. We want to become a doctor means what to be focused, how we must plan for. And for this I am stressing again, you must know your abilities. Why? Because there are three subjects: biology, physics, chemistry. So what to be focused more, how to be focused on it. So you must divide yourself whether you are a poor student, average student or a good student. Only for the NEET interest, not about your attitude or about other talent. Just preparing for the NEET. Or you need to check for each subject also which is good. Of course, most of the students say biology is our favorite or biology is easy. Let it be. That is the good thing. Now I will tell you three things that when you think you are capable of handling all the three subjects equally, then give the priority equally and apply and try to make sure that you obey one formula that physics plus chemistry equal to biology. Physics plus chemistry equal to biology. If you are studying for 2 hours for physics, 2 hours for chemistry, then 4 hours for biology. So that way you need to try to divide and you need to divide equally so that if you get the minimum target should be 650 plus if you are capable of handling all the three subjects. There the formula should be like physics plus chemistry should be equal to biology. You are targeting for suppose 650. So 330 biology should be equal to physics plus chemistry together also 330. Then you will get 650 plus marks. Then you can get it into almost every medical college of Karnataka. And if you think you are little low performer, average performer, then think in this manner. Physics plus chemistry together equal to half of the biology. So focus full on biology. Spend 6 hours on biology, 3 hours on physics, 2 hours on physics, 2 hours on chemistry, but spend more time on biology. Then 330 by 2, 165. So 165 plus 330, so approximately 500. So when you get 500 plus marks in NEET, you will get medical seat. But you may not get it into the better college, but you will get. There is a maximum possibility, even if you are open category also. So the last one, when you think you are poor at particular subject or two subjects, so try to do it in this manner that focus full on biology. Out of 12 hours, you focus 8 hours on biology. Then try to get 330 marks and manage physics and chemistry, that physics plus chemistry equal to just biology divided by 3, 1/3. So 330 plus 110, 440 marks. So 440 marks is good enough to get it into at least BDS. You can get BDS. So keep the minimum target 450, maximum target 650 plus. With this idea, go, because don't target for 720, that will develop stress on your mind. Avoid the stress. Target accordingly. Plan from the beginning. Focus on each subject according to your abilities, according to your interest, and manage the other things. Don't just try to frustrate. Don't just get frustrated with the particular subject, especially my subject, physics. Manage it. Learn to manage. Get minimum marks at least. And try for the better performance. So these three things you need to take care. To get it into a medical college, free medical government college, free medical seat, then you need to focus for 550 plus marks first, being a general category. If you have reservation, then minimum target should be 450 plus. If you want to go for, if you go for paid seat, not management quota I am talking, if you want to go for paid seat, per annum 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs fees, then at least target for 450 plus, even though you are general category. If you have reservation, then definitely it will be beneficial. Take the advantage of it. Just try to get it 500 plus. You will get a better and better college. So plan accordingly. Prepare well. And last and final thing I would like to tell you. If you need any guidance, how to prepare, how to achieve target in NEET, or what to be focused, how to prepare for the NEET entrance, whether it is related to physics or chemistry or biology. So please message me to my personal number, my WhatsApp number 7569087042. Not only that, if you have any physics doubt, please message me. I will clarify that doubts also whenever I get free time, definitely. So have your own idea, have your own plan, know your abilities and try to achieve your target. And before achieving target, fix the target is important. That's why I am talking. Don't fix any target blindly. That will develop stress on your mind. So when stress increases, your performance reduces. When your preparation increases, stress reduces, your performance increases, your result will become good, better, best. So get your best, for that all the best. But for any queries, if you are general category, reservation category, so any guidance if you needed for the seat allotment or preparation for NEET or physics doubts, you can message me, WhatsApp me. So please take care of your future. Whether you are preparing, whether now you are starting, or you have 2 years time, or you have 1 year time, you are in now first PUC, you are in second PUC, or you are just completed second PUC, you focus in this manner. Suppose if you are the one now presently 30 days, just divide the time accordingly. 12 hours at least you should prepare. Give the priority to each subject according to your interest, according to your abilities. So don't try to learn everything. Try to learn as maximum as possible. If you are focusing on learning everything, you lose many things. If you are focusing on learning as many things as possible, you will learn more things. So that is what, for every query, call me or message me. So finally, on behalf of Anand Medical Academy, as being one of the academic director, I want to say all the best to all of you, all the medical aspirants. So good luck guys, perform well and achieve your target and make a clear and good path for your future. Thank you all of you. Hope we'll meet soon.